Okay, I have purchased this ski bag, Sukoa, and I am in Denver, Colorado right now. I live in South Korea, and I am going to transport my old K2 pontoons, which are exceptionally large, using the Sukoa ski bag, and I am going to tell you how it works out. I already brought them from Spokane, Idaho down to Denver. Now they're gonna go to Korea. So let's put them in the bag. So this is a nice padded bag. Everything slides in nicely. I think the tips need to go this way. The front has about this much space, and the tail doesn't have as much space, so I think the tips go in this way. Make sure the skis are all nice and secure. Like I said, these skis are about as big as they come. I bought them in I think 2005 or 2006 when they were new and exciting, and now they're very old, but I'm gonna bring them to Korea because they've just been sitting in my parents' garage. So now that I've got them placed in here, there's these straps, I'm gonna strap them in. Front and back. And I also found some ski poles in my parents' garage. Very grateful I did not have to purchase them. So they will also go in here. And there. One on the other side. And this is nice and padded. However, for a little extra padding, I'm going to take my ski pants. I'm going to cover up the bindings. The bindings probably are the most fragile. I'm just going to wrap them around here, get the ski pole out of the way. And I'm not going to do all the packing right now, but I do have some clothes. I need to keep all my bags under 50 pounds, and when I came down from Spokane, the skis themselves were just 20, 25 or 26 pounds, so I'm going to throw some hoodies and clothes, and I'm not going to do that all on video right now, but for right now I'll just show you. I'll take a shirt and put them under the tails of the skis, so there is some padding. If I had to choose one negative about this ski bag is that it doesn't have wheels that roll, but you also have to pay for wheels that roll. So anyway, I'm not going to do the full pack job right now, but you can see the skis are in there. There's a little extra padding with the ski pants. Get the zipper. First seemed fairly sturdy. I'm in a little trouble right there, but no major problems. Get them nice and secured. And there's some other straps that will come around the outside. Cinch that down. I believe there's one up front. You can control the tightness of the tips. These are very long skis, so the tips are right up against the top, but this is it. I do have a shoulder, I missed this is what I was looking for. There's another strap that goes right here. Bada bing, bada boom. Put this together like this. And I do have a shoulder strap. There's a zipper pocket right here on the outside where I have placed the shoulder strap, which I don't need right now, but when I need it, it just attaches right here and right here. You're ready to go to Korea. So when I get to the other side, I shall add a second part to this video and let you know how it went. Hopefully it went well. It's a long way to go for a pair of heavy old skis.